Welcome to Codifix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError can only concatenate str, not int to str. This error message occurs when you are trying to concatenate, join together, a string and an integer in Python. In Python, you can only concatenate strings with other strings and not with other data types, such as integers, floats, etc. Here's an example of code that would produce this error. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. In this code, the variable name is a string and the variable age is an integer. The code tries to concatenate these two variables using the plus operator. However, since age is not a string, this will result in a type error. To fix this error, you need to convert the integer to a string before concatenating it. You can do this using the str function, which converts any data type to a string. Here's the corrected code. Here's an example. Now let's run this code. In this corrected code, the strAge function converts the age integer to a string before concatenating it with the other strings. This will result in the expected output of "my name is John and I am 30 years old." Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos.